Eli, Joy, Sam, and Paul want to start a company, and they have 16 shares in the company. They want to divide all the shares. Each person must get a positive amount of shares, and no person can have more shares than all the rest of them combined. We want to find the ways that they can do this. So first, we see that with these types of problems, you usually want to solve like the simpler versions first and then build up. So if there's no constraints, then all you have is like 4 people and 16 shares that you want to divide. And that's just stars and bars, which is going to be 16 plus 4 minus 1. Choose 4 minus 1 equals 19, choose 3. And this is obviously like not the right answer since you're not applying any of the constraints. So from here, we see that we can just really easily from here jump to the uh first constraint, which is each person greater than or equal to 1 shares, right? So from this, we can just like directly give everybody uh a share at the beginning. So it's like 4 people still, and 16 minus 4 shares since you're starting everybody off with a share already, just to ensure that they all have a positive amount of shares. And then this is going to be 12 plus 4 minus 1 over 4 minus, choose 4 minus 1, sorry, equals 15. Choose 3 equals 15 times 14 times 13. Choose like over 6, and that's going to be equal to like I think 35 times 13, right? And then now we can apply the final constraint where each person no sorry no person gets uh more shares than anyone else. No, sorry, than everyone else, not anyone. So if no person gets more shares than everyone else, we see that like we're gonna give out 16 shares no matter what. So if one person has to get a majority of shares, then they're gonna have to have greater than or equal to 9 shares. So if we get the complement of this, uh, then that's gonna be, we can start off 3 of the people with, we can start off 3 of the people with 4 shares. No, sorry, with 1 share, and one of the person with 9 shares. So that's gonna leave us with uh 16 minus 3 minus 9 shares and still 4 people. So then that's gonna leave us with that's gonna be 4 plus 4 minus 1, choose 4 minus 1 equals 7, choose 3 equals 35. But then we see that there's like 4 ways to choose which 3 people get 1 share and which person gets 9 shares. So we're gonna have to multiply this by 4. And then so our final answer is gonna be each person getting greater than or equal to 1 share, subtracting 1 person gets more shares than everybody else, and everybody is greater than or equal to 1 share. 35 times 13 minus 35 times 4 equals 9 times 13. No, sorry, 9 times 35 equals 315.